Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a bar chart on Microsoft Excel. All right. As we all know, uh, bar chart is one of the visuals that's being used on Excel to describe our data in pictorial form. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create a simple bar chart in Excel. So let's say you are having this table now. You want to work on this table. How do you create a chart with it? Now take note, it can simply be 2 column, all right? But I made it 4 so that I can be able to show you in a scenario like this, what are you going to do? So simply put is, what you're going to do is this. If you are working and you want to create a bar chart, let's say a, a column containing the full names against their score, all you have to do is to highlight the 2 columns and then insert your bar chart. All right. You must not highlight the whole table, else it will be messy. You will not get the desired result you want. So let me show you what I mean. So we want to create a bar chart containing the full names against the scores. All right. You highlight the 2, then click on insert. Then you locate chart, click the drop down icon and look for the chart you want. Click it. Here you have your chart. Easy peasy. All right. Now we are having the names against the scores. Very nice and very beautiful. All right. You can go ahead, change colors. Change colors. Let's say you want to change colors of the bars. You want to format it to your taste. All right. Whichever way you want to format it, Excel will give you that room to edit it to your taste. Okay. And if you want to change the entire look, it's something that you can just play around with. All right. But basically, this is how to create a simple chart in a simple bar chart in Microsoft Excel. All right. So somebody may be wondering, how do you highlight the 2 columns? Sorry, I may be too fast in that. All you have to do is, after highlighting the first column, press down Control key, then copy the second, highlight the second column too. Then before you go on, insert, then locate your chart, then you select whichever pattern you want. You know, there are different type of charts here. Just play around with them. Whichever one you like, you want to go with, you can click on it, and it's easy as that. All right. So if you have any question, guys, leave it in the comment section. If you find value in this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.